In the heart of the rugged steppes of Mongolia, a boy named Temujin emerged as one of the most formidable leaders in history. Born into the tumultuous world of clans and tribes, Temujin's early life was fraught with hardship, including the assassination of his father and the ostracization of his family. These challenges ignited a determination within him that would ultimately change the course of history. As Temujin grew, he showed an uncanny ability to lead and strategize. He united the tribes under his command through a combination of diplomacy, marriage alliances, and sheer force. His charisma and tactical prowess solidified his status as Khan, and under his leadership, the disparate tribes transformed into a fierce and unyielding Mongol army. Renaming himself Genghis Khan, the universal ruler, he initiated a campaign of conquest that would span across Asia and into Europe. The Mongol Empire expanded with lightning speed, fueled by the innovative military tactics devised by Genghis Khan himself. He introduced the use of mobile horse archers and developed extensive intelligence networks, which allowed his forces to strike unexpectedly and decisively. One of his most remarkable strategies was psychological warfare. Genghis Khan employed fear as an ally, ensuring stories of Mongol ruthlessness preceded them, often leading enemies to surrender without a fight. Cities that resisted faced destruction, while those who submitted quickly were incorporated into the empire, their leaders treated with respect, the ultimate carrot and stick approach. Besides his military genius, Genghis Khan was a shrewd administrator. He implemented a legal code known as Yasa to solidify control across his vast empire. The code was progressive for its time, mandating religious tolerance, encouraging meritocracy, and securing trade routes across what became known as the Silk Road. Genghis Khan's conquests and the efficient administration under his rule laid the groundwork for one of the largest contiguous empires in human history. Yet, despite his warrior ethos, he was also a patron of culture and education, fostering the exchange of ideas and technologies across continents. This blend of savagery and sophistication made the Mongol Empire not only feared but respected. His legacy is vast and complex, echoing in the halls of history as both a destroyer and a creator. Genghis Khan forged his empire with blood and brilliance, leaving a world transformed in his wake. His untold conquests, though often brutal, were undeniably revolutionary, shaping the political landscapes for centuries to come.